Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Starseed Asnia trigger error code 5. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to access the game. Instead of getting the start button on the title screen, it just spins and then shows a network error. According to our research, there is no official maintenance notice, and the error is likely related to network or DNS issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game and then restart your device. After restarting, check if the game needs an update. If there's any update available, install it and check for the error again. If the error still comes, then check if you're using a VPN. If yes, then disable the VPN and try accessing the game without it. Then check if the error still comes. If the error persists and you are using a custom DNS like AdGuard, then switch back to the default DNS. One user shared that changing back to the default DNS helped them fix the issue. So try this and check if this helps with the error. If you still get the error, then try connecting over a different network or use a mobile hotspot. Once connected to the alternate network, launch the game and check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.